Facing the "oops, we could not find matching credentials" error while logging into Snapchat on your Android phone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. This error could be due to a wrong credential or a glitch in the Snapchat app. But don't stress, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to solve it. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Reset password. First, get out of Snapchat. Tap Login or use another account. On the login screen, tap Forgot your password. Snapchat will ask you to choose how you want to reset your password. You can select via email or via phone number as the recovery option. I'll just use my email as an example. Enter the email address linked to your Snapchat account and tap Submit. Snapchat will now send a verification code to your email. Enter that code in the verification box and tap Submit. After that, you should be able to log into your account right away. In case you have two-step verification enabled, you need to reset your password. Solution 2. Clear cache and data. Corrupt data usually causes such login problems. Tap and hold on to the Snapchat app icon. Tap the I button or App Info. Find the option called Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Data. Confirm the action. Now simply go back. Open Snapchat again and try logging in. Solution 3. Update Snapchat. Outdated app versions can sometimes cause glitches like this, so you should go to the Play Store, search Snapchat. If there is any update available, make sure to update your Snapchat to the latest version. After updating, try the logging in again. Hopefully this time your issue is resolved. Those were the solutions for the "we could not find matching credentials" error on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these. Catch you in the next one.